Hi, I'm Wolf Koslow. Today I'm going to demonstrate the chromium test. The chromium test can be used to sort many different metal alloys. Take a look. Let's see which of these alloys contains chromium. Lay a paper on the metal. Make contact for only a half a second on each one. The red magenta color lets us know that this one marked 316 contains chromium, while this MK500 contains no chrome. So this is a negative result for the chrome content, and this is a positive result. This kit is reliable and an approved method. Be sure to visit Koslow.com for more information or call to speak to an application specialist.